Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. And in the last video we have discussed about how you can screencast your cell phone screen on your desktop, okay, or your laptop. But there was some problem with the ADB tool. Like it was basically time consuming, okay, so it may take some time for mirroring your device on your screen, okay. So to remove this problem, we are going to use this scrcpy tool, which you can just install it on your terminal by using this command like sudo apt-get install. This one, sudo apt-get install scrcpy, okay. So this will be installed directly, or if you want to explore this tool more, like you can just go to this github link, okay. So you can just go to this github link called Jenny mobile scrcpy, okay. I'll put this in description box, so you can just go there and you just install this, okay. But before that you can just install this adb bridge or ffmpeg, because you will be needing this in this tool also, okay. So you will have to install these two, but here we will be just using the scrcpy, so as to just get the screen. And you will notice that the time lag, basically the time lag is reduced, or there will be no time lag, okay. So when we will be using this scrcpy, but previously it was taking some time, there was some time lag, okay. But let me just show you after executing this command, like how basically how the time lag was encountered here. Like you can just see it was taking a lot of time so as to mirror our device, okay. So I've just executed this command here, adb screencast output ff play, okay. This is the same command, and let me just show you the screen here. So you see it is basically taking some time, okay. It is taking some time, like, so if you just play a game or a PUBG game, so it may take some time, and basically it will not be fruitful for us, okay. So to remove this problem, we are going to use this scrcpy, which you can install this by using this command sudo apt-get install scrcpy. But before that you just install these two tools also, okay. But we will be not executing this command, okay. But you just type this scrcpy after installing this tool scrcpy, okay. But let me just stop this one, okay, because it was executed previously using this command, okay, and this was taking some time, okay. So, but you will see, like when you will be executing this scrcpy command, but then the time taken will be less, okay. So let me just type this scrcpy, okay. So this will be executed only when the when you will have installed this one, okay, scrcpy, okay. And now let you see it is very fast, okay. So you notice this is very fast, and there is no problem like time lag, okay. So you can notice it, and you can also play some game, and basically it has reduced the time lag, okay.